Measuring ring gear axial runout. This ring gear has a very narrow surface for measuring axial runout. Because of this, the tip on the dial indicator will be replaced with a smaller one. Position the dial indicator onto the measured surface as close to parallel as possible, making sure to preload the dial indicator. Check the location of the tip. Zero the dial scale. Operate the plunger a few times to make sure the needle returns to the same location. Double check the plunger contact to ensure the case does not contact the side of the plunger tip. Place a paint mark on the ring gear to keep track of 1 revolution. Rotate the ring gear by turning the drive pinion until the ring gear has made 1 revolution. Observe the dial indicator total movement. This dial moved between plus 3 thousandths of an inch to minus 2 thousandths of an inch for a total movement of 5 thousandths of an inch. Compare this to specifications and correct as needed.